This video we're going to be covering how to save settings in your new LZR laser welder. So when we boot up the machine for the very first time, these will be our default settings. Waveform, gas, everything. And then we have saved settings here. Save setting 0 is going to be default settings and cannot be saved over. So let's say we're welding some gold, we'll say, and we're like, this is the setting for us. Then we can hit save setting, and then we can toggle to save setting 1, and we'll see that it's free memory. We then can either delete it or we can start typing in. So let's delete that. Sorry, 14K. Let's say yellow. Gold. And we can say jump ring, for example. Well, looks like I'm maxed out. And then when I hit save, it's going to come to the screen again. So you can see now we can see our save setting down below, and then I can toggle between the two.